Hi, welcome to Educating the Heart with Nature Art. I'm super excited to share with you my new nature art video series, A Sense of Wonder. These fun, simple videos follow the seasons of Mother Nature and help nurture and develop your child's creativity and instill a deep love and appreciation for Mother Earth. Using rose petals to create a clay painting. What would you use to make your clay hummingbird?
High notes, some are low notes. It's just a magical sound.
The nature art activities are adaptable to your own environment and any age group, building connections, stirring imaginations, inspired by the magic of the natural world. We begin with spring.